Hello, hello from rainy Telford, UK. This is Successful on Purpose episode, I think, 48 already, and I have a brand new guest. This is Annie Edwards. I'm a Saladmaster dealer based in Chicago, and let me introduce you to my new guest. Go ahead.
Hi, thank you, Annie. My name is Girlie Baldonado from Frankfurt, Germany. Our dealership name for RK Enterprise GmbH.
How long you been in business?
I've been in Saladmasters for 5 years now. Yes. Annie, thank you.
But these are not a short period of time. But in 5 years, this dealer got so much done. I'm so impressed with all your accomplishments. So success means different things to different people, yeah? So what success means to you, and how Saladmaster helped you to get to what you wanted in your life?
Saladmaster made a difference to my family's life, and now we are touching other people's lives. Saladmaster is a huge help from us. Before I joined the business, I was a dialysis nurse here in UK, but now we migrated to Germany. And take note, Germany is not our an English-speaking country, right? Migrating there, it's a very difficult one because of language barrier. But it doesn't stop us because we've seen the opportunity in Saladmaster. There's no dealer yet there, so we migrated. Me and my family migrated to Germany and brought the opportunity in there, and we didn't regret what we have done. It's not easy, but it's doable.
Nice. So you have you are currently yourself, your main office is in Frankfurt, Germany, yeah?
That's correct.
And then you have now another two dealers or three dealers?
In the making, we promoted another dealer which is based in Switzerland, based in Zurich. It's Frank and Lorna. And we have in the making also of promoting another. They are doing the 3 months of 25 in Madrid and in Barcelona. And we have also some distributors who are finishing their programs in Germany.
So this market was wide open with no dealers, and you were the brave soul that came in and entered this market, yeah? So without even German, you don't know German, yeah? You didn't speak German when you came to Germany and started this business. I'm sure it wasn't easy.
It wasn't.
What made you keep going and fighting and doing, things, overcoming all these obstacles to become such a successful, and your office is right now doing tremendous amount of, success stories, and you're already promoting so many dealers out in Europe, in Spain, Germany, now in Switzerland. And what makes you keep going?
Now, our journey in Saladmaster, it's not easy. For the last 5 years, we've made a lot of mistakes, we overcome challenges, but that challenges made us stronger. That challenges made us tough. Just like it's a stepping stone to success. Now, that's why I was saying, Annie, language is not a barrier. If you have the vision, if you have the goal, and if you only focus, commit, you will achieve whatever you want into your life. So now we have people who are believing in us, and this is the business that I will leave a legacy for my children. I'm teaching now. We have 4 children, Annie. So now my children is exposed now to be an entrepreneur mindset instead of employee mindset. So this business matters a lot for me. We've helped a lot of especially relatives in the Philippines. So it's a good business. I'm telling you, Annie, it's language, it's not, until now I don't know how to speak German. 5 years my children teach me how to speak German, but I cannot.
Yeah.
My children are fluent in German now. My 2 youngest, 2 little ones,
they
they both speak German.
fluent
But me,
German.
6 years living in Germany, migrated in Germany up to now, no. But God is so good. We have those people around us who help us to surpass the barrier of being a German-speaking country. And it's even in Spain, it's not easy. But as long as you have the willingness to do things, and you can do it, because as what Ayu said, nobody is better than you.
So you have a vision and strong vision and focus on what you want, and you went for it, yeah? So some people may be, afraid to leave their 9 to 5 safe job, yeah? And they think it's a safe job, yeah? But, anybody can, lose their job anytime. But people feel like they need to have 9 to 5 job, and being a business owner is not easy, yeah? But what business ownership, what being in Saladmaster doing this business give you?
It is the best decision that we've ever made, because there's no other business that you own your own time. You have quality time with your family, even the financial freedom. That's what we are. You are in control of everything. If you are entrepreneur, if you are a business owner, no one will stop you. You are in control of everything. So why not you?
Thank you very much, and I want to wish you and your team all the best. And I cannot wait to hear all these exciting things happening in your dealership, and many, many more dealers will be coming into European market. And we still have a lot of untouched market all around Europe and beyond, yeah? So I'm super excited to see what you're gonna bring in next 2, 3, 4, 5 more years ahead of time, yeah. So lots to learn. I'm sorry, traveling and a little bit coughing here, but wish you all the best. And final words to my viewers.
Final words. If you believe in the opportunity that we have now, so what's stopping you from not joining us? So thank you, Annie, and the future is so bright in Saladmaster. Thank you very much.
Thank you again. So we are finishing up our life-changing event here. We had over 700 people here today in one hall. Super energetic, super loud, and super excitement, yeah, in this whole event. So we are super excited to see all the new life changers joining our business in Europe and beyond, yeah? Because we are in Rhino division. We cover Europe, Africa, and Middle